is working on composing a number, which often comes before adding and subtracting using place value, or using place value to recognize a number. Then you could use physical base 10 blocks, or you could just use a dry erase marker and a whiteboard as you've seen me do in other videos. Okay, but I would begin just by doing our ones place, just by representing that I have these cubes that represent the ones place, and they are just a single digit. I can count them 1 to 1 and represent a number that way. Okay, here I have 4 ones. I represented the number 4. And then as they begin to be able to count by 10, you can add in our base 10s, our tens blocks, and represent a number that way. Okay, if I have 2 10s and I still have my 4 ones, I'm going to count by 10s, 10, 20. Okay, and I'm going to switch over to count by ones, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I represented the number 24. Easy as that. Okay, then if I have hundreds and I can count by hundreds, which is just 100, 200, 300, 400, our students pick up on that quickly. Then I could represent it by saying I have 100, I have 2 10s, again I'm going to count by 10s, 10, 20, so 120, and I still just have my 4 ones. I've now built the number 124. Okay, something that helps with this a lot in its organization is something like this that has where we would draw our pictures. We would write the number that we have of our pictures in their digits. We would expand it, and then we would write it into standard form. This is known as pictorial, expanded in standard notation. Okay, I'm going to draw that one that we just had, 124. I draw it just like this. I would notice that I have 100, 2 10s, 4 ones. I could expand that out, 100, 10, 20, 24. Expanding it out helps me say it in its name notation. 124, I'm going to write that number in its standard notation, which is just numbers that we know, 124.